Some people grow up proud of their culture and some get taught for hide it. Watch this.
You talk like shit. I'm old, I'm senile.
I'm gonna talk the way I
want. I like that. Carry on.
We are gonna talk.
Think it's funny?
Because it is funny.
No, it's not.
It is funny.
No, it's not.
Mom, I'm gonna talk the way I want to talk.
But say don't slam back in the eat.
Why I can't talk the way I want to talk?
You see, she come with the yank, and when you go back in the Jamaican.
Oh, God.
You know Jamaica, man, stop it. Stick to the American and speak properly and nice. You don't like it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You don't like it. Don't like it. Don't do it.
Is that not my culture?
No. They don't even know where they ever come from. So not do it. You don't know where your mama come from.
Where do you come from?
From my mother, vagina.
All right. What country did you come from?
America.